Good morning, student. I hope you all are fine. We studied chapter 13. It is average. You know what is average? Average means middle value. Average means middle value. You know how we find? How to solve middle value? Yes. A bike distance covered 240 km in 4 hours. We calculate the average speed of a bike as we solve distance covered in kilometer upon number of hours. How to solve average speed? Bike covered 240 km distance in 4 hours. Then average speed, we apply this formula. Total distance covered upon number of hours taken. What is total distance? 240 and number of hours 4. So 240 divided by 4. 240 cut with 4, 60 times. Means 60 kilometer per hour. So 60 it is our average speed. What is average speed of bike? Average speed of bike 60 kilometer per hour. Now we solve exercise 60. Question number 1. Find the average 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Now we solve sum of number. Here 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. We add these numbers. If we add these numbers, we get 65. We get 65 and total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many number? 5. Then total number of 5. What is formula? Average is equals to sum of number and upon total of number. Sum of number is 65 and total number 5. 65 cut with 5 13 times. Means answer 13. Average is 13. Hence average of number is 13. Now solve next question. Question number 5. Find the of all odd number between 50 and 60. Means odd number 15 and 16 के between odd number हमें average find करना है. Odd number between 50 and 60. 51, 53, 55, 57, 59. These are odd number 50 and 60. Between 50 and 60. Sum of odd number, we add these numbers. If we add these numbers, we get 275. Total odd number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And total odd number 5. How to solve average? Average is equals to sum of odd number. Then sum of odd number 275 and total odd number 5. We cut 275 with 5, 55 times. Then what is average? Between 50 and 60, average is 55. Let's solve next sum. Sum number 7. Find the average of all prime number between 20 and 40. Prime number between 20 and 40, 23, 29, 31 and 37. You know what is prime number? Prime number, it divided with itself. That is called prime number. Then that one is 23, 29, 31 and 37. Sum of prime number. We add all numbers. These numbers 23 plus 29 plus 31 plus 37 is equals to 120. We get 120. If we add these numbers, we get 120. And total prime number 1, 2, 3, 4. Total prime number 4. Average is equals to sum of prime number upon total prime number. Sum of prime number 120 and total prime number 4. 120 upon 4. 120 cut with 4 30 times. That means average is 30. Let's solve question number 12. That is, the age of 5 girls in a group are 16 year 4 months, 15 year 8 months, 14 year 9 months, 15 year 3 months, 14 year 8 months. Find the average age per girl in the group. Question number 12. Age of 5 girl. 16 year 4 months, 16.4. 15 year 8 months, 15.8. 14 year 9 months, 14.9. 15 year 3 months, 15.3. 14 year 8 months, 14.8. Sum of age. We add all age. 16.4 plus 15.8 plus 14.9 plus 15.3 plus 14.8. We get 77.2. We get 77.2. Total number of girls 5. Then what is average? Sum of age by number of girls. Then what is the sum of age? 77.2 upon number of girls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here write 5. 77.2 cut with 5, 154 times. Then what is the average? 15 year 4 month. Now solve next and last question in this exercise. Question number 14. That is, a man earned 8,500 rupees per month during the first 4 months and rupees 10,000 per month during the next 2 months. Find his average earning per month during this period. A man earned 8,500 first 4th month and next 2 months he earned 10,000 per month. We solve sum of money earned. 85 4 months. It means 1, 2, 3, 4. We add 8,500 4 times and 2 months 10,000. That's why we add 2 times 10,000. Now all digits add and we get 54,000. He earned in 6 months 54,000. Total number of months 6. Yes. Now average is sum of money upon total months. Sum of money 54,000 and total month 6 months. 54,000 cut with 6, 9,000 times. It means his per month earning is, average earning is 9,000 per month.